Types of funding. There are several types of funding when it comes to buying an investment property, such as getting a buy-to-let mortgage, using a bridging loan, cash, equity funding, and peer-to-peer lending. Buy-to-let mortgages. Buy-to-let mortgage providers are specialist lenders who require you to put down a deposit, typically 25% of the property's total value. The outstanding 75% of the property value is the buy-to-let mortgage secured against the property. Similar to a normal residential mortgage, the mortgage is repaid by monthly installments. Each buy-to-let mortgage company will have its own set criteria, so be sure to use a good mortgage broker who can access the whole of the buy-to-let mortgage market. Bridging loans are a short-term and fast option to finance the purchase of a property. Bridging loans are designed to help people complete the purchase of a property before selling their existing home by offering them short-term access to money at a high rate of interest. A common use of a bridging loan for investors is they can be used to buy a property at auction or even be used to develop a property. The main benefit is the speed at which you can access the money, much quicker than traditional methods of lending. Equity funding. You could be sleeping every night in the thing that could facilitate your next property purchase. Many people leverage the equity they have in one property to fund a deposit on another property. You could have a house worth £300,000, but your mortgage is only £200,000. You are literally sleeping on £100,000 that you could use to invest and generate you a healthy return. You can release your equity by remortgaging your home subject to meeting the lender's criteria. Cash. Many investors will buy with cash. This saves on lending fees and ongoing interest payments. Savvy investors will purchase a property with cash and then refinance the property, releasing money for the next purchase. This is very popular if the property is purchased undervalued or in need of modernization, because when the investor refinances, they do this at the increased market value and release all of their cash. Peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer removes the middleman from the process, enabling borrowers to take loans from individual investors who are willing to lend their own money for an agreed interest rate. This type of lending has become very popular as borrowers can agree low interest rates, which are still a lot higher than the investor would achieve from a savings account. Remember, with all your lending needs, it is important to seek professional advice from a qualified and authorized person.